Instron, a global leader in materials testing solutions, understands the challenges of relocating materials testing equipment. Our machine move and relocation service offers a comprehensive solution, managing the entire process from consultation to recommissioning. We provide a one-stop solution for all your machine relocation needs. Our personalized consultation ensures that every project is approached with tailored logistics, addressing the unique requirements of each move. With full project management, Instron handles every aspect of the relocation. This includes coordination of our specialized lifting and transportation partners, dismantling, packing, transportation, reinstallation, and calibration, all managed seamlessly by your local service team. This service is designed to be time efficient, managing both logistics and technical details to minimize downtime and reduce effort on your end. Instron guarantees safe machine handling, ensuring secure transport and reinstallation of your equipment, no matter the size or complexity. With our global reach, Instron's relocation service is available worldwide, supported by your local office. And to make the process even simpler, you'll have a single point of contact, a dedicated project manager overseeing the entire move, simplifying communication and ensuring smooth coordination. Finally, all pre- and post-move calibrations are ISO 17025 accredited, ensuring the highest standards of accuracy and performance for your machines. For more information regarding Instron's machine move and relocation or the other services that we offer, please visit instron.com.